Hey everyone, Meg here from I Teach Stamping, and today we're making a Christmas card. I'm going to start by using a blending brush with some balmy blue ink. And I'm doing this onto some white cardstock. I have a glass mat underneath just to help me move the color around, but you can also use just scrap paper that you have. All right, so I'm going to get this to the consistency that I want. All right, then I'm going to use a stencil with masking tape as my hinge, and so I can just lift up and check my progress. I'm going to go in with some Night of Navy ink, also using a blending brush onto the glass mat first, and then I'll take it onto my stencil. It's way easier to add more ink than to take it away. So go a little bit at a time, and then you can check your progress, lifting up your stencil to see how it's coming along. So I am going over where I did the balmy blue first, so I'm going to have this cool tone-on-tone effect. We can lift up, like I said, check, looks good to go. All right, now I'm gonna pick up my sentiment and I'm gonna go in with real red ink. I love this color combination. Anytime I get to use blues and reds together, I think it looks sensational. This is a simple card to make. Like, we don't need a ton of supplies to do this one. You can make this one in minutes. And for a full list of all the supplies I use, make sure to check out the description, and that'll have a link to my blog post where I share all of that. All right, white card base, fold it in half, get a nice crisp edge, and then we're going to add this layer with dimensionals onto that card front. Just helps add a little bit extra texture. I love the way that this turns out. We'll remove those backings, add it onto the front of our card, and then all we need to do is finish with some rhinestones, and this card is done. Like I said, easy peasy, so easy to make. You can make this in minutes, as you've seen. So I'm just going to add some rhinestones and we're done. All right, my friends, make sure to like and follow I Teach Stamping for more ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.